What if you could create professional-looking graphics, social media creatives, promotional banners, thumbnails, and other visual content, without spending hours inside complicated design software? And what if an AI could do most of the creative work simply from your instructions? Today, we're taking a close look at VisualSpark AI, a platform designed to help marketers, content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, and online business owners create visual content faster. But the big question is VisualSpark AI actually worth buying in 2026, or is it just another AI tool with a lot of hype? In this review, I'll walk you through what it claims to do, its key features, who it's designed for, the pricing structure, the upsells you may encounter, and finally, whether I think it's worth considering. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in AI tools, online business, affiliate marketing, content creation, and ways to save time using artificial intelligence, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Visual content has become incredibly important. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Facebook ads, product promotions, affiliate creatives, or marketing banners, having attractive visuals can make a huge difference. But traditional design can take time. You need to choose templates, adjust fonts, colors, layouts, images, dimensions, and sometimes start everything from scratch. VisualSpark AI is designed to simplify that process by putting AI at the center of visual content creation. What is VisualSpark AI? So, what exactly is VisualSpark AI? VisualSpark AI is positioned as an AI-powered visual content creation platform. The basic idea is simple. Instead of manually designing everything, you provide the AI with instructions about what you want, and the platform helps generate visual assets based on those instructions. According to available product information, the platform focuses on creating graphics, marketing creatives, promotional materials, social media content, and other visual assets. The interesting part is that it's designed to be beginner-friendly. So you don't necessarily need years of Photoshop or graphic design experience to get started. For someone who needs to produce a lot of content regularly, that could potentially save a significant amount of time. AI visual creation. The first major feature is AI-powered visual generation. Imagine you need a promotional graphic for a fitness product. Instead of opening a blank canvas and designing everything manually, you could describe the concept you want. For example, create a premium fitness promotional graphic with a modern gym background, energetic lighting, bold headline space, and a professional marketing style. The idea is that the AI handles much of the creative process. This can be especially useful for marketers who need multiple creative variations. You could create one concept, change the style, adjust the messaging, and generate another version. That means instead of spending a long time designing every variation manually, you're using AI to speed up the creative workflow. Multi-platform content. Another important capability is adapting visual content for different platforms. Because every social platform has different dimensions, creating content manually can become repetitive. You might need Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Facebook graphics, YouTube thumbnails, promotional banners, advertising creatives, and more. VisualSpark AI is positioned to make this process easier by adapting designs for different formats and platforms. For social media managers or people running multiple online businesses, this type of workflow can be particularly useful. Instead of recreating the same design repeatedly, you can potentially adapt the creative to different formats. Beginner-friendly workflow. Now let's talk about usability. One of the biggest problems with traditional design software is the learning curve. Professional tools can be incredibly powerful, but that also means there are hundreds of buttons, menus, layers, settings, and options. VisualSpark AI takes a different approach. The goal is essentially: tell the AI what you want, and let the AI handle much of the design work. That could make the platform particularly appealing to beginners. You don't necessarily have to understand every technical design concept before creating something. Commercial use. Another potentially important feature for online entrepreneurs is commercial usage. Available product information states that the front-end offer includes commercial rights for generated assets. Why does this matter? Because you're not necessarily creating graphics only for yourself. You could potentially use visual assets for client projects, marketing campaigns, affiliate promotions, social media management, e-commerce businesses, local businesses, freelance design services. That opens up more possibilities for people who want to use AI not only as a productivity tool, but also as part of a service business. However, as always, make sure you read the current license terms before selling or redistributing generated assets. So who is VisualSpark AI actually for? First, affiliate marketers. If you're promoting different products, you constantly need banners, social posts, promotional graphics, and advertising creatives. Second, content creators. YouTubers, Instagram creators, and other content marketers can potentially use AI-generated visuals to speed up their content workflow. Third, e-commerce sellers. Product promotions and advertising creatives are essential for online stores. Fourth, freelancers. If you're offering social media management or graphic design services, AI could help you produce more assets in less time. And finally, small business owners. If you don't have the budget to hire a designer for every single graphic, an AI-powered design platform could be an interesting alternative. Now let's talk about the part that many buyers want to know about: pricing. Available launch information lists a front-end VisualSpark AI offer at around $17, although pricing and availability can change, so always verify the current checkout page before purchasing. The offer is also presented with multiple optional upgrades. These reportedly include areas such as unlimited access, done-for-you resources, automation, profit-oriented training, business acceleration, agency functionality, reseller options, and a higher-level white label option. Now, here's my advice. Don't automatically buy every OTO. Start with the core product. See whether it actually solves your problem. If you need additional features later, then consider upgrading. That's usually a much smarter approach than buying every upsell immediately. Let's quickly go through the potential advantages. Pro number 1, saves time. AI can dramatically reduce the amount of manual design work involved in producing visual content. Pro number 2, beginner-friendly. You don't necessarily need advanced design skills to start experimenting with the platform. Pro number 3, multiple use cases. You can potentially use it for social media, advertising, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and client projects. Pro number 4, commercial use potential. The advertised front-end package includes commercial rights, subject to the applicable license terms. Pro number 5, useful for high-volume content. If you're constantly creating new graphics, an AI workflow could save a considerable amount of repetitive work. But there are some things you should keep in mind. First, AI-generated designs aren't automatically perfect. You may still need to edit the output. Second, the entry-level package may have limitations for heavy users. Third, some of the more advanced functionality appears to be placed behind optional upgrades. And finally, the quality of the results will depend heavily on how well you communicate what you want. So don't expect AI to completely replace creative judgment. Think of it as a productivity tool. So, is VisualSpark AI worth considering in 2026? Here's my take. If you're someone who regularly needs visual content but doesn't want to spend hours learning complicated design software, VisualSpark AI could be worth checking out. It's particularly interesting for affiliate marketers, social media managers, YouTubers, freelancers, e-commerce sellers, and small online businesses. The biggest selling point isn't simply that it creates images. There are already countless AI image generators. The real value is the potential to create business-focused visual content faster and more efficiently. But I would recommend starting with the front-end offer rather than immediately purchasing every upgrade. Test the core functionality. See whether the output quality matches your needs. And then decide whether the additional features are actually useful for your workflow. If you want to check out VisualSpark AI, I've put the relevant link in the description. Just remember to check the current pricing, features, license terms, and upgrade options before making a purchase, because these offers can change. If you found this review useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.